Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll install and open Ublock Origin and start with the core controls. First, add the extension and pin it to the toolbar so it's always visible. Once done, click the Ublock icon and open the dashboard via the gear. In the dashboard, enable recommended filter lists and hit Update to download rules. This blocks most ads and trackers automatically. Make sure to grant any required permissions and keep the extension enabled so Chrome uses those filters on every site you visit. Next, refine what Ublock actually blocks so pages still work correctly. Go to Filter Lists and toggle Ads, Privacy, and Malware filters. Disable lists that break functionality. After that, use the Element Picker tool on any page to click and remove a persistent element, then save the cosmetic rule. This is great for annoying overlays. For advanced control, open dynamic filtering and create temporary rules, then convert to permanent when confirmed. Make sure to refresh the page to verify changes. Finish by tailoring how strict Ublock is and safeguarding your setup. Whitelist sites you trust to allow functionality and use per-site toggles for relaxed filtering. After configuring filters and rules, export your settings to a file so you can restore them later or move them to another browser. If a site breaks, first try disabling Ublock for that site or revert the specific rule. If problems persist, reset the dashboard to defaults and re-enable only the essential lists. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.